Hey guys, this is Will here at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky. Welcome back to the channel. Just want to do a quick little walk around video on what just landed here at our dealership. This is a 2021 Jeep Gladiator Sport. It's got a lot of great aftermarket upgrades. So, you know, if you're in the market currently for a, I guess, overland or sleeper slash camper Gladiator, it's a perfect time to get your hands on one. As of now, this one only has 44,500 miles. But I mean, we'll kind of walk around and we'll kind of discuss some of the upgrades that come along with it. Looks like you got a front steel bumper with a bull bar. Got the worn winch. Got LED headlights. Got an overland badging or decal on the side of the hood. Baja Designs off-road lights. 37-inch tires, and I believe these are Mopar, probably beadlock capable. They might be true beadlocks, kind of hard to tell. They also upgraded the shocks, got Fox shocks on it. And then check this out, a little filthy because it hasn't gone through detail yet, but got powder coated candy apple red metallic springs, upgraded steering damper. Got rough country side steps. Open up the driver's door and show you the interior as well. Now they kind of carried on that candy apple red on the interior dashboard as well. You're gonna get black Napa leather, cold weather package. I believe this is the 8-inch touchscreen with Uconnect. Got the 3-piece hardtop, rear sliding window. And then check this out. Rome Adventure Co. sleeper slash camper. Already installed for you, ready to go. Got a receiver hitch. It's also going to feature a S&B air intake. You got a hard tonneau cover, bed liner, which is also carpeted. I mean, pretty rad little Gladiator, if you ask me. Somebody really put their time and money and, effort into this build. So other than that, though, I just want to do a quick walk around and kind of show you, what I like to call the used gem of the week. This is definitely a runner-up next to probably the AAV JT370, the Firecracker Red. But, if you're in the market, like I said, in the market for a sleeper slash camper, Jeep Gladiator, really capable of hitting the off-road trails, go camp with the family. This is a great opportunity to get your hands on one of these. And better yet, you don't even have to do anything. This thing is ready to go. As soon as you get the keys, ready to hit the trails, go camp out. But thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, you all. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about the overland sleeper slash camper Gladiator Sport. Check out our website, you all, crossjeep.com. We got a ton of new and used inventory in currently. Other than that, also give us a call, 502-537-1738. Thank you guys. Y'all have a wonderful day.